Hey everyone, I had an awesome thing happen today. I got my One Comma Club award. I have a certificate around here somewhere. Don't know quite where I put it. But, wow. Anyway, One Comma Club award came. I did an unboxing video earlier. But this right here shows the possibilities. You can make $1,000 in a weekend. You can make more where that comes from. So, learn how to build funnels has changed my life. It could change yours too. One Comma Club award in the house, reporting from the Funnel Lab. Peace out. Bye. Hi everyone. I got something pretty awesome in the mail today. Actually, it's been here for about a week now and I haven't had time to open it. So here we go. Let's see. Actually, I've gotten a few things in the mail. I just haven't had time to go through them. And this is, oh wow! I've been waiting for this. Check it out. I got my One Comma Club award. This award here is something that I joined the One Comma Club challenge about a month and a half ago. And to make money, $1,000 by the weekend, it actually took me a week and a half, a little more than a weekend. But I have earned my One Comma Club award. There's a couple more things that came. I'm not quite sure what they are. The Funnel Hacker book. And, of course, Dan Kennedy's 7-Figure Secrets, which I have not opened yet. Not sure what's in here. I think this is a shirt. And, okay. And another ClickFunnels shirt. I literally have a full wardrobe of these. So let's add that to the collection. Does it have the thing on the back talking about funnel hackers? No. But the ones that I have before are about funnel hackers. This is all my attendance at Funnel Hacking Live, the 2 Comma Club. This is the One Comma Club award, but this is a 2 Comma Club award. So I just wanted to share that. I got to get on my Funnel Builder certification call. Talk to you guys later.